morning and welcome to this session on IATF internal auditing skills. Now we are going to see how to audit the HR department, HR function. So you have gone to the HR department on the scheduled day, time, you have met the auditee, and after the preliminaries are over, you are starting the audit. What is the first question? Yes. So turtle chart. Whether there is any turtle chart available, whether risk register is available, whether the risks have been identified, whether the auditee is aware of how to understand, how to identify the various risks, and whether the risk analysis is quantitative or qualitative. This you can find out from the risk register. Then in the turtle chart, find out the status of the performance indicators, quality objectives, whether the targets have been met. If not met, then whether root cause analysis is in place, whether corrective actions have been initiated, whether effectiveness of the corrective actions has been verified. These things you find out. Now, after this, then you let us say we have taken a process competence matrix, competence mapping. Now this process, first see how the process has been defined. What are the inputs? What are the outputs? What is the internal knowledge? What is the external knowledge? How the competence mapping has been done? Whether the skills, qualification, experience has been included. Then in the same function, you look for the auditor competence matrix under clause 723. Find out the list of qualified internal auditors. Randomly pick up one or two names and you find out what is their criteria for qualification, whether they have undergone any training for IATF internal auditor course, whether the certificate is available, whether the certificate clearly says that the participant has successfully completed the internal auditing course. And then you also find out what were the contents of that training course, whether automotive QMS approach was taught during the course. Okay, then in the HR function, you go to the clause 732. What is 732? Employee motivation and empowerment. Then you also, together with this clause, you can audit 5111, corporate responsibility, to find out whether there is any employee code of conduct, whether any handbook is available, where the anti-bribery policy, whistleblowing policy, etc. have been documented. Then you find out how you are verifying, how you are communicating the quality policy, quality objectives, how people are motivated to achieve the quality objectives, what are the different methods used in the company, that you find out from them. Okay, and like that you keep on progressing in the audit. The audit records is the internal audit observation sheet or backup sheet, as some people call it. Keep on recording what is the evidence you have seen. Always mention the specifics. Okay, thank you so much.